If you've got your lawn looking like this, maybe some of the grass has dried out, it's been compacted. This is not an unusual sight, but it certainly doesn't look good. I'll show you how to repair this without the need of any seeds, and all you need is a rake and a garden fork. I'll show you exactly what to do. So get your rake, and wherever your patch is, your dried out patch, just scratch the surface and you'll see a lot of dead grass come out. Now this is the reason why it's important to take this out, is because all the rainfall will not penetrate into the soil. It'll stay on the surface because of this dry grass. So the first thing to do is just remove all the dead grass, like so. I'm just going to do a small section here to show you, and look at all this. This will prevent any new growth, this will prevent any light getting to the soil, and it will prevent water getting into the ground. So get rid of all that, put it into your compost bin. So once you start seeing the soil, you don't want to go too far down. So once you start seeing the soil, all you want to do is get your fork. So here we go. Get your garden fork, and where you've scarified it, you just want to dig into it. Go as far down as you can. There may be some stones or bricks may prevent you from going all the way down, that's fine. But all you want to do is, in that area, you just make some holes. Okay, like so. Okay, now that's all you need to do. Once you've done that, what this will now do is it will allow air, light and rainwater to go into this section here, and that will then in turn promote new growth of your lawn. Let me show you a section which I've done previously, and you'll see some new growth coming up. You can see here all this patch here was pretty much dried out about 2 months ago, so I used a fork and I raked it off, and you can see that the grass has now started growing nicely on this side, and it's slowly making its way here. You can see some fresh growth coming out there. So this is what your grass will eventually look like from a dry patched area. It's worth mentioning that if you try to put seed on here now, all it will do is turn into bird feed. So it's pointless putting any seed down this time of year, or in fact any time of year, unless you cover it nicely and the birds can't get to it. So with the method that I've shown you, you don't need to worry about wasting your money on seed. You don't need to worry about your seed being eaten by birds and your lawn never growing. So this has been proven, and this will make sure that your lawn will grow.